This is with code 560. Subarray sums equals k. This is medium. Question. Let's get into it. Given an array of integer n and integer k, you need to find the total number of contiguous subarray whose sum equals k. Example 1. Input is nums 1, 1, 1. K is 2. There are two types of array. First is subarray and another is subsequence. Subarrays need to be contiguous, but subsequence is not. This is question for subarray. So in this case, 2 is 1, 1 subarray. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And this one also subarray. 1 plus 1 is 2. But only this one with this one is not subarray. Each subsequence. How we can solve this question? I'm gonna use map, and then I will put value key is sum of subarray, and value is frequency of sum, and I will use this one. Looks like accumulation. Okay, let's implement it. First, I will make map and put the value when sum is 0 is 1 to check exact number of the k. Next, I will iteration nums. For num in nums, I will calculate sum nums. And then if sum minus k in map, I will reflect counter. I will get map sum minus k index and then put into counter map sum minus k. Counters initial with 0. And then I will update map. Sum is map get sum initial with plus 1, and I will return count. It finished. Okay, looks good. Okay, I will show you the test. First, map. Nums is 1, 1, 1, k equal 2. At that time, this is map sum counter. Okay. Now cursor is here. At that time, nums is 1, so sum is 1. And if sum minus k is minus 1, but there are no key of minus 1, so this one will be skipped. And next, I will update map. Map sum is 1 is 1. And then next iteration, I will add sum. Now sum is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 is 1. So I will update counter. Get value from map. Now counter is 3, and then next iteration sum is 3, and then sum minus k is 1. 1 is here. Before that, I will update 2. So I add 1 is 2, and then I will update 3 is 1. As you see that there is a secret. Secret is if sum is higher, in this case the sum is 3, at that time I will find deduct value, mean is sum minus k. So in this time sum is 3, k is 2. So if there are value is deductible, in this case 1, this one will be 2. So in this time I will check this one is same as 1. Fortunately there are 1 1, so I will add the counter. That is the reason why we able to find exacted value. Thank you. With this time complexity is the linear time because it uses one iteration, and space complexity also n because we use math. Thank you.